Got some LUMINAR AI right here, so yeah, bring it in with some subscribers, honey. Yeah.
Hi guys, it's Father's Day here in New Zealand, so I am not doing a big video here, but I've had a heap of people asking me about LUMINAR AI, so I'm quickly going to give you my 10 cents on that, 2 cents, whatever. I'll give you some cents on it and what my thoughts are. It's quick because I want to get back to seeing these guys on Father's Day. That's what it's all about. Love you guys. Love you guys so much. So I have a video coming out on this and I was working on it last week and unfortunately I just ran out of time before the weekend. So let me jump ahead of that video and just share the conclusion with you guys so that you can make a decision whether or not you want to go ahead and pre-order LUMINAR AI. So for the first group of people, which would be people like myself, professional photographers, the $69 that they're currently charging, which is a discounted price, anything that's going to save you time or put money in your back pocket by facilitating your processes, making things easier, which LUMINAR AI invariably will do that. I'm sure of it. That $69 is an absolute no-brainer. Go ahead and get the pre-order. If you're an enthusiast / hobbyist and you already have LUMINAR 4, think more carefully about it. You may not want to put that much money into another photo editor. LUMINAR 4 will carry on working for you just fine as it is, and if you're happy with that, don't want any more, stay with it, guys. If you're somebody who likes to have all the newest stuff, if you're somebody who just really values your time, the goal of LUMINAR AI is basically to speed up people's workflow, make the actual process of editing photos easier and quicker, so you get more time to do other stuff or process more photos, whatever. So if that's important to you, then again, I think the $69 that they're asking, or $59 if you already have LUMINAR 4, is really good value and a no-brainer. So yes, again, I would recommend in that case, take advantage of the offer. If you're happy with LUMINAR 4, don't want to upgrade, don't upgrade, stay with that. It's the third group of people that I think would possibly benefit the most, and they're people who are brand new to photo editing. Because it's AI driven, it's AI under the hood, it's been rebuilt completely. So rather than having AI tools built into a photo editor, it is an AI engine completely. So that means it's going to take away a lot of the need for knowledge of photo editing away from the user. And so for new photographers, it's going to really simplify things, and it's going to be a real nice handhold of a way to get your photos edited and looking great. So my conclusion for you guys is that I think it is going to be an absolutely invaluable tool for photographers, photo editors, bloggers, all those people I think will benefit from this. I think it's going to be a great piece of software. No one in the world has used this yet. It's still in the final stages of development. So I'm going on what I've learned from attending webinars with the developers and Skylum themselves, and also reading press releases and looking through the example imagery that they've shared with me, the befores and the afters. And as a prospect, it looks amazing. They've got a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if for any reason they fall short on what your expectations are, you can just get your money back. So yes, go ahead, get it. I've got an affiliate link below. My discount code that often works isn't active at the moment on that offer because it is already so heavily discounted at this introductory price. But I would really love it if you guys would use that affiliate link, because it does help me. I get a small commission from that if you choose to go ahead and get it, and that just helps me keep providing free content, the free kind of training and tutorials that I do for you guys. So that means the world to me. It also helps me support those little guys that you saw at the beginning of the video. So that really means the world to me. I will do a more in-depth look into LUMINAR AI very soon, but I just wanted to share that with you guys, seeing as a few of you have been hitting me up in the comments asking about it already. So have a great weekend, guys, or whenever you are watching this video. Thank you and goodbye.
Hi, baby.
You can do the intro now.
Hi guys, so we've got my big baby here.
No, about LUMINAR AI.
So got some LUMINAR AI right here, so yeah, bring it in with some subscribers, honey. Yeah.